Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Alright, so, you know something? I watched an episode of Jeopardy yesterday, okay? And then I didn't know James' grandmother passed away. I know he wrote down in Final Jeopardy his response, "This is for you, grandma," you know? So, so I want to say, to James that my condolence to you and your family. Okay, it doesn't matter how long ago it was, but I'm giving James Holzhauer my condolence. Okay, even though it was just 1 or 2 or 3, I don't know how long ago that was. You know, I wish he would have mentioned how long ago it was. If he did, I didn't pay attention, you know. So my condolence to him and his family. Okay. So let me close this door. All right. So anyway, as I was saying, folks, I really enjoyed his episode. 2 record-breaking games, you know, broke the record and stuff like that yesterday and stuff like that. So. James, if you're watching this, I want to let you know I lost my grandmother 2.5 years ago. Okay, it was 2016. You know what I'm saying? And I know you viewers out there watching, but I'm talking to James Holzhauer right now, just in case he's watching. And Buzzy, I know you watching. I know your friends is watching, but I'm not talking to you, Buzzy. All right, I'm not talking to Andrew Powell or Buzzy Cohen or Stephen Grade or Julia Collins or whatnot. I'm only talking to James right now. James, if you're watching this, I'm talking to you. Okay. All right. It was July 18, 2016 when I lost my grandmother. Okay. So it was nighttime, you know what I'm saying? She passed away at the hospital, at Tulane Hospital, I do believe. Okay, so anyway, what happened was when I heard my grandmother was in the hospital, I went and got on a bus. You know, I got on a bus and went somewhere. I don't recall where I went. You know. So me not knowing that it was my last time hearing from my grandmother, you know, for so many years she cooked some good food, baked turkey, fried some chicken way before Katrina. She cooked some delicious red beans, you know what I'm saying? But you know something? She cooked beans real good. My family cooked beans real good. My great aunt. She passed years ago. She cooked good gumbo and stuff like that, you know. Okay. So James, I know how it is losing family though, you know. So the thing is though that she cooked some beans real good. I never used to let my grandmother's beans go to waste. You know what I'm saying? I never did. You know what I'm saying? I really did. You know, cause I love my grandmother's beans, you know what I'm saying? So, I also love her gumbo. And she also cooked some good mustard greens, you know? Ate it all up, you know what I'm saying? And I miss my grandmother, and I know you miss your grandmother too, James, okay? So all I'm saying, my condolence to you and your family, okay? No matter how long ago it was, okay? So I'll be praying for you, James. I know everything's cool and all, but I enjoy you winning on Jeopardy and stuff like that, going across the board, you know. But you know, other champions go straight down the board. Other champions go diagonally, you know. Some Jeopardy players go diagonally, you know. Okay. Yeah, some go diagonally, some go right up to the top. Look at Ben Ingram. He started in the middle of each category, like 600. You know, that's what I'm saying. He started like 600, and I think Arthur Chu started. Okay, all right, not talking to everybody now. Okay, All right. So anyway, Arthur Chu started, I think 800. You know. So anyway, James started by 1,000. And laying all his cards on the table and stuff like that, you know. Okay, I'm talking to everybody now. Okay, and I must say, I enjoy Arthur Chu on Jeopardy. I sure miss him, you know. But it wasn't right that he defeated Julie Singer, you know. So anyway, Julie Singer wasn't you know. So anyway, I'm not talking about Julia Collins, you know, or Sandy Baker, or Frederique, you know. So, you know something? I want to let y'all know something. I enjoyed James, you know. I wish he would have faced off against Steve Gray, you know. That would have been my favorite episode. Just like Andrew Powell got defeated by Buzzy Cohen, you know. So, I miss my grandmother though, you know. I really do, you know. I wish she was still here with us though, cooking some good old Ray beans, you know. She cooked Ray beans real good. Somebody that could replace that, my auntie Sandra, and Randy's grandmother, also with the same name, Sandra. Okay, Miss Sandra. Okay, so Randy TV's grandmother cooked beans good too. You know. I stopped eating beans for a while. You know. Yep. Oh yeah, James. I wasn't finished telling the story. Okay. All right. It was July 18. I'm talking to James again. Okay. It was July 18, 2016. Okay. I came home, stood home. Everybody went to the hospital and stuff like that. You know. Everybody went to the hospital, but you know I could have went, but I don't like elevators. You know. I'm afraid of going elevators. You know. Okay. So the way I talk about it, y'all. I don't like hospitals and I don't like elevators, you know. Okay, so who this was that texted me? Nala must have texted me. No, not Nala that texted me. It was just something from my phone. That's all. Okay. All right. Somebody doing a live stream. Okay. Yeah. So all right then. So anyway, James. My mom. I want to tell you. James, if you're watching this, my phone dropped. So as I was saying, James, my mom came home and she told me the bad news, okay? And then I had my cell phone in my hand. I almost dropped it on the ground because I was so much depressed, like, you know, losing my grandmother and stuff like that, you know, okay? So I wonder how you felt when you lost your grandmother. I knew it hurt, you know what I'm saying? I knew it hurt, but because it hurt me losing my grandmother. And then 2 years later, I lost my mom. My mom passed away in wee hours in the morning, like past 12 o'clock midnight. It started April 29th. April 29th just started, you know, my big brother's birthday. I would never wish that giant punk ass bastard a happy birthday. The hell with him. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, I'm supposed to be celebrating, and James won about 11 games with so much money, breaking a record every single time. You know, all right. So, all right then. So I really enjoyed watching Jeopardy, but he already passed Arthur Chu in winnings. You know, just like Seth Wilson passed Arthur Chu in winnings, you know. Yep. Arthur Chu is kind of off the map, you know. Okay. So I guarantee y'all Arthur Chu gonna be back on Jeopardy one day after Alex Trebek retired, and everybody knows James gonna be back. I don't know how many appearances he gonna make on game shows. I'm surprised he ain't gone Wheel of Fortune. If he went on Wheel of Fortune, I must have missed that. I heard Elliot Yates went on Wheel of Fortune, and I missed that episode, you know. All right then. So and Rainy Peffer, she was my favorite Jeopardy player. You know, so she one of the first streakers on season 30. That was her season until Arthur Chu took it from her. It was Arthur Chu's season until Julia Collins took it from him. You know. All right, that's it, y'all. Okay, so James, God bless you, man. I really enjoy you. You know, you're my favorite Jeopardy player so far. Even though you defeated Alex Cup or whatever his last name was, you know. But technically, you supposed to face off against Steve Grade in regular games. You know, that would have been an awesome thing. You know. Finishing with a lot of runaways and stuff like that, lock games and stuff like that, you know. Okay, I really enjoy that, you know. So anyway, I wish you could have been on Price is Right with Bob Barker, you know. I think Bob Barker would have enjoyed your company if you would have been on Price is Right, like in 2000 or 2001, 2002, 2003, all the way down the line of one of those years. I think Bob Barker would have enjoyed your company. Well, Drew Carey's on there now. So, all right. Let me ask you a question, James. If you're watching, you been a fan of Jeopardy? That's my question to you. You been a fan of Jeopardy? I kind of wonder. You know, I've been a fan. You know, I like the sounds. You know. I'm mostly a Price is Right fan, you know. Number 1, number 2, Jeopardy, number 3, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so I've been missing episodes of Wheel of Fortune, Miss Jeopardy, and Miss Price is Right. You know, when Bob Barker was hosting because I was in school, and with Drew Carey because I was heartbroken on Lanisha leaving the show and stuff like that. You know. All right then, so. That's all for now. All right, thank y'all for watching. All right, bye-bye.